myself Mallikarjun Math. I have around 16 years work experience in paint industry. So we have our own paint manufacturing unit in Shahpur. So just I wanted to explain about the primers today. So actually for 10 by 10 one room, we required around hardly 8 to 10 liters only. So for that we have around price for 20 liter one bucket around 1800 to 2500 in between, because we have two grades in that. So second grade around 1800, first grade we have around 2400 rupees. So if you go for branded products, there is a cost of around 3600 actually. So better product we have, better than brand product, and even cost effective also. So in 10 by 10 one room, we can cover in around 8 liters only actually. By practically even it will go less than 8 liters, but actually it depends on the surface actually. Some surface will be smoother, some surface will be rough. So it depends on that also. Hardly it will take 10 liters. So minimum I can say around 8 liters. So for more information, if you want any details, so you can contact to our number. We are displaying our number also there. So if you need any more help and more application related information, so we can definitely guide.
You can contact to our YouTube channel, Paint Lab Expert channel.